Hey everybody, this is October 1st. This is Anthony coming to you again. I've been working pretty hard trying to get the 79 Ford ready to paint. The engine did come back from the machine shop. $875 was the final bill for head work, boring, polish crank, fit the pistons, deck the block, and deck the heads. They did install Comp 2 cams in those heads. So today's just a quick short video. There again, I don't know if it will ever make YouTube. The wife may decide to put it on there. I don't know. I might at some point in time, but mainly it's just to document progress of the truck, progress of the 03 Mustang, and hopefully the progress of the 70 Mach 1. So I guess since nobody's mowing today, the roosters are going to crow the whole time. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the truck here and show it to you. I know I'm doing this wrong for YouTube. You're supposed to watch me do it. You're supposed to watch me mix the paint, spray the primer, all this, that, and other. But like I said, I'm not for sure if this is YouTube material or not. And later on, if I decide to, I'll change my platform. But for now, it's just to document the truck. And here we go. As you can see, everything's being 2K'd, build up primer. It is still kind of tacky. I put 2 heavy coats on there. It's probably going to take at least a couple days. Weather was 72 degrees today, almost perfect for spring. Just a light wind kind of moved things around, because you understand I'm inside the tent. As I've mentioned to you before, $90 off eBay, about another $30 worth of materials. As you can tell, have it anchored down. I also have it braced at the top. So it works good. It does the job. So back to the cab here. It's all been 2K, like I said. Been heavily coated, about 45 minutes between each coat. And I think it'll do fine. The first part on the hood, it came out as hard as porcelain. So it slicked up like glass, so it's good to go. There's the noise maker right there. There's the other one. They seem to want to be the star of the show, so I give them a little spot there. So I don't know if you can really tell, everything is 2K'd in all the way across the dash, cowl. The wife did paint the shock towers, but they kind of got a little overspray, but they'll get painted again when the engine comes out. There's the engine. It's ready to come out. As soon as I get the engine in the 2003 Mustang, it'll be coming out to order the parts to rebuild it. So, and we'll go out here and take a look at some of these fenders. There's one of the fenders there. Another fender right there. There is a few spots that I noticed when I was spraying. A little low spot there. And good thing about spraying is you can step back and take a look if it's wet and see if there's anything that you've missed in the glare and the glow. So here's the hood. This is the second time it's been 2K build up primer. It was in really bad shape. Like I said in one of the other videos, Dad said I could have the truck, but the hood was the only piece that was usable off of the other truck, so he said I had to use the hood. So he's passed on about 10 years ago, but it was a promise I made to him, so we're going to use it. So You can tell here, everything looks good. Laid down pretty good. You can see y'all done a pretty good job. There is one dent. It doesn't matter how many times you block and sand it. You know, you can't get them all, and that just proves it. You can't get them all, or you think you got them all when you really don't. So here's the door. I have pictures of all the doors. I don't know if you can, I guess you can load them on YouTube, but this door was hit right in here, right down through here when it was delivered, and from about right here all the way to the edge of the door, it's got filler all the way down. So, you know, I could have sent out for a new door, but the time I waited two and a half weeks to get it, you know, it probably would have came in beat up just as bad. So this particular door right here just got a bad spot right there, and all down from the width of the door all the way up and all the way across, all out through here. This whole thing was beat up where it was dropped on the edge, and I hammered it back out and fixed it. So, you know, you can't have the best things in the world, but here's one fender. You know about parts that get delivered. As you can tell, this thing was smashed right here all the way. So what I've been doing is any filler I had left over from the work I was doing, I just put it in there. Also, I have, as you can tell, these old fenders are not that bad of shape. They just had a lot of filler in them too. They will be up for sale as soon as I can take time to fix them. They'll be up for sale. Brand new door right here, as you can tell, still in the box. Came in so beat up, even I wouldn't fix it. So, but I might give it a shot for some extra bondo, extra time. So that's about it, folks. I would open up and show you the Mustang block and parts, but keys are in the house, and I'm tired. I've been spraying all day and trying to get this thing ready to paint, and I particularly don't want to go in the house to get it. So maybe that'll keep for the next video. Mustang is still there. It's still waiting for attention. So, and we plan on giving it plenty of attention as soon as we can get Old Blue done. We call her Old Blue because she was blue from the factory from day one, even as a kid. I think I was, 62, 79, 72, 10, about 16, 17 years old. We called it Old Blue from day one, and that's the way it'll be till we no longer have it in the family. So, Old Blue's been there and back, and Old Blue's gonna be I wouldn't call her a trailer queen, but she's not gonna be any more mud holes. She's not gonna pull any fifth wheel trailers anymore. So she's gonna take the easy life. She's gonna be pampered and sanded and polished, and she's gonna have a good life from here on out, hopefully. So I thank you out there on YouTube, and subscribe, hit that notification button, leave a message. But if it has to be negative, all I ask is leave a positive comment last. I know as a psychologist, you can't please everybody. So just, that's all I ask. Say all the bad you want. Just make sure the last one is a positive. See y'all. Be careful out there. Thank you.